Hello and welcome into the world of crystal sound and story. Now this one here is a bit unusual. If you have an Amazonite, it might not be as translucent as this one. When I got that in New Zealand, my friend said to me, I only have one of these and it's for you. And Amazonite is, of course, named after the area of the Amazon. And as you know, I live in Peru, not in the Amazon or on the Amazon, but not so far away. And always in my life, the Amazon had a very, very special connection for me. Now, the Amazonite in general is about love and good fortune, but it's also about vitality and healing. It's about being in the flow of life. And of course, it's also said to enhance love in our life. Again, I'm not speaking of romantic love. The Amazonite is really one that helps you to see through the eyes of love. That helps you to breathe the air of love. And surely that also helps you to speak with love. So for me, the first time I held it, it was quite interesting. At this time, I had not been to the Amazon. I had not been to that part of the world. I just had that amazing longing in my heart. And I had a lot of visions and what maybe you call past life experiences in the Amazon. So when I held this very special one, as Kay told me, because I had other pieces tumbled that are nothing like that, it just felt it took me straight back to that Amazonian area. And it was one that would connect me back to a nature that I actually hadn't seen. We all know that the Amazon is the lungs of the world. But where this took me was into the heart of these lungs of the world. It took me to a place that I almost want to call the pulse of life and the pulse of love. I could feel the abundance of how all these different trees and plants would just be together in love. And this is what the Amazonite means to me. Now remember, this is my story. It has nothing to do with you. If you don't have a fancy one like this and a tumbled one, it doesn't really make a difference. But I'm inviting you to hold it and to let you tell the story. The story where the Amazonite can take you. How it can bring you a fortune that is not necessarily money, but a connection to something that is boundless and forever, timeless and formless and shapeless. And you might find something in this connection with the Amazonite that puts you in a place of love for a living consciousness that's always present. So let's see what the flute can share with you about the Amazonite. So how was that for you? Where did the Amazonite take you? For me, it feels like that wild source of love and consciousness that is here right now. And it's here for all of us to enjoy. See you soon.